Ayan.
OA.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, nakakita na ba kayo ng dinosaur sa isang mall? Dito lang yan sa sa Dubai Mall. Dinosaur Mall.
Sensya na talaga.
Thank you, Kuya Ray.
Thank you po.
Another surprise. Grabe si Lord, di ba, guys?
Galing ni Lord, diba? Na
Yeah.
parang yung blessing talaga ni Lord for us. Grabe.
Yes.
So halatang hindi ho sila nagluluto talaga.
Para din sumastik.
Lemon. Kasi, di ba nanonood tayo sa Virgin Man, meron silang parang yung waffle na boat.
Yeah.
Yun ang favorite talaga ni Rainbow sa amin.
Kaya try it na.
Ito na guys. Pang Jollibee commercial ah.
Ooh! Sawam! Manghang?
Spicy, pero it's okay.
It's okay. Sorry. Kanina pa ako nakakain na.
Spicy siya, okay? Pero masarap. As in. Okay?
Maybe we can request next time sa
Yeah.
sa kanila ng less spice. Hindi ko alam kung kaya mo yung spiciness na, pero masarap.
I'll try yan.
Okay. It's a spicy challenge na rin. Okay?
Parang bulldog lang yan.
Ano, kaya?
Sayang.
Pero masarap na.
Yeah?
Guys,
Yeah, other noodles.
I'm telling you, if you are... masarap siya as in. But again, there's different levels of spice. And I guess it's also based on your preference na rin.
Yung ginawa ni Mami, hinalo niya lahat ng spice.
You can request din naman.
Yeah.
Like, in what spice level you want it to be. Pero, very unique yung lasa.
Yeah.
You know, it's, alam mo like, that's signatured as dandan noodle.
Yeah. Sa mga mahihilig sa Mami.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, I like it. Man. But I know there's a
Guys, yung mukha ni Daddy.
there's to match it. The passion fruit, it's really good.
This is perfect, guys. Guys, inside there's this jelly. I love it. Dandan ba? Is it the seed of passion
There's
fruit?
a passion fruit and also the jelly.
Jelly.
It's really good. Tsaka ang daming serving nila.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And yun na nga, we were blessed. Thank you. Thank you. Shang Tam.
Sam.
Yeah. Edit mo na lang yan. Okay. Dami kang i-edit dito.
So guys, after namin kumain, usually, si Mommy, what does she always want? She always wants tea. And very timely because meron tayong dessert. So,
Try yung dessert.
Yes.
You try the dessert from dun sa,
Sa bakery
sa
na-
bakery kanina na.
Yes.
Ito daw yung bago nila na parang hidden gem. So, if you are from the food court and if you want to drink tea, so ako talaga mahilig ako sa tea, di ba?
Mm.
Yeah.
So, ito yun. So, kasi alam ko, nagbibenta rin sila ng mga So, sa mga kaidaran ko, mga mommies, ayan, dito tayo.
Wow, very nice place.
Wow!
Myanmar, Burma.
Yes. So, yan yung mga tea nila na binibenta nila dito.
Next to Myanmar.
Parang isang ganito yata is the amount of that. 540.
Wow.
Yes. Iba't ibang klaseng tea siya.
Yeah.
Tea, ayan.
There's different types of green tea, guys.
And it's really from China talaga.
Yes. So, as in, what do you call that? Authentic.
Yes.
Authentic talaga.
Ayan, so may mga din sila dito. Ayun, pangarap ko yun mga tea set na ganyan, alam mo yun.
Hanap ko talaga.
Hanga!
The menu is very huge.
Then, another fun fact, guys, is every single thing you see in here, especially even this peacock is for sale. Yung mga designs din nila, it's based on a specific birth,
Sign.
birth sign or something, yeah.
Yeah.
So every booth is unique.
Yes.
They have
every
different
table
designs.
Actually.
Yes.
So cool.
And plus, they also, every booth has a specific tea master. Yes.
Good, that's fine.
Smells good.
Yeah. This is the jasmine flower, ma, and for the realistic.
Relax.
Mm.
If yung mga friends nyo, mga miga-miga, mga momsies over there, kung may mga chika-chika moments kayo after, you can come and visit here in Chinatown, in Dubai Mall. So, pwede kayong umupo dito, talk with friends, and si ate na yung bahala sa inyo sa tea. Sa tea nyo, actually.
Yes.
And this one is, how much is the
Price?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
price.
1% is the 88 dirham.
Mhm.
We making a hot tea and we also making a cold
Cold
tea.
tea. And ito nga, dahil binigyan nila tayo na itong
Lucky in
I'm
Spring.
not sure if it's bread or biscuits or
Yeah.
so we will try. So try natin itong binigay nila. Oh.
What? You're scaring me. What?
Alam mo yung lasa niya?
What?
Parang siyang Sansribal.
Sabi na nga ba?
Parang siyang Sansribal or Silvana.
Seryoso?
Na sobrang ang sarap.
Seryoso?
Try. Ang sarap niya talaga, promise. Hindi ko lang kung anong pangalan niya kasi insect, pero
Luck in Spring.
no, the
Ah,
bread
the
itself.
yeah. The dessert itself.
Ang
Sarap.
sarap niya, promise.
Perfect for the tea.
Perfect for the tea, promise. Sabi sa inyo. So you should try this and hindi ko alam po ang pangalan niya. Pero parang ganito siya. Kung makikita niyo. Ayan. Parang Sansribal or Silvana or basta ganun
Basta
yung lasa.
yan. Sarap.
Yung lasa niya, sis.
Ikaw mag-spin, ang sarap.
Ooh, sawam!
The nut inside of it, it's nut, right? Meron siyang nuts ba?
Hindi ko nga alam kung nuts siya, pero alam mo, para siya para siya talagang
May note?
may
Nutty.
nougat.
Like, nutty
Nugget.
flavor.
Hindi,
Yun
para siya talaga siyang ano.
Yung-
Yeah, sige.
I want
Try
you.
mo, daddy.
Right.
Try mo, daddy.
Mm. Unang kagat pa lang parang meron na agad texture ng Sansribal.
Di ba?
Yeah. Thank you from Lucking Spring. So yun guys. Challenge accomplished. So yung 100 dirhams budget natin for a day na with your family.
With a blessing.
Na-accomplish natin yon. Actually, sobrang sakto. So, we had a breakfast kanina, a simple breakfast, and then, yun, we went to one of the, like, you can say, like a hidden gem dito sa Dubai Mall, where you can buy, actually, sa lutong bahay. So, yun yung nakakagulat. And, ano pa?
We got extra blessings today.
Yes.
And yung masasabi ko, it's as a wife or as a mom, na ako kasi sobrang tipid talaga ako to the max. Hanggat kaya kong magluto o paglutuan ng pamilya ko, gagawin ko talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi si daddy na kasi yung nag-work. So, syempre, para makatulong din tayo sa, alam mo yun, sa pagtitipid.
Sa bulsa
expenses.
niya, guys.
Sa bulsa niya, oo. So, ngayon, kasi dahil it's weekend, so it's Rainbow's Day. So,
Yeah.
yun nga. Kasi nga, homeschool nga, ayun, ulit-ulit. Homeschool kasi si Rainbow. So,
Nakaset kami daw.
nakaset talaga kami na we have time for her. Pagka weekend, kung gusto niya gumala, gagala kami. So, ito nga, kasi nga, it's a Pedja de Peligro. So, ngayon.
Budget week na guys,
Oo.
pwede de peligro.
So, we tried this 100
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Team Escar is very grateful kasi alam mo, we're doing this lang.
Sandali, addition lang ha. Para sa may marshmallow. Hindi ako kasi makaget over kasi ang
Oo
sarap
nga,
na talaga.
mukha hindi siya makaya. We are grateful kasi like guys, we're doing the challenge only pero fortunately merong mga they want to extend their blessing as well. Kaya shout out to Happy Lemon,
And Dandan Noodles.
the Dandan Noodles, and etong hindi niya makalimutan,
Lock in Spring
Lucky Spring guys.
Bakery, guys.
Yeah,
Try nyo talaga to, promise.
you guys need to check it out.
Mm.
Ayun, for me as a head of the family, sobrang thankful. Pwede ang 100 dirham side. Actually, we've been doing this for a long time na. Yeah, and like sinabi ni Mami Shay, pag for example kung si daddy lang ang nagwo-work, so it's a matter of yun, tulungan lang din sa budget na, pero the most important thing is yung company ng isang family, the quality time, that the time that we're giving to Rainbow. So I think
We already do this on
Yeah.
a daily basis,
Yeah.
and we're literally just like showing you guys
we want to share it talaga.
tips and tricks to other families out there as well.
Yeah.
And kung may mga tips din kayo or restaurants or food you can suggest to us, just comment down below kasi we'd also love to explore more things na pwede din namin matry on a budget week.
Yes.
And even this tea place, guys.
Yeah.
It's actually opposite of Chinatown food
Yeah,
court.
you can see it easily lang, guys. It's literally, it's
It's-
just like in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, shout out sa ating
Angel.
yeah.
Actually, di ba nga, yun yung sinasabi ko. Kasi ngayon, kasi everything you do talaga, you have to pray for it, di ba?
Yeah.
So, what we're doing right now is, pinag-pray namin na matagal to. Kung we will go to this path or not,
Yeah.
di ba? Para so, since nung first vlog namin, kung matatandaan niyo po yung TJ Manukan. Actually, na-bless din kami doon.
JT.
JT. Sorry, JT.
Guys, TJ, Lululemon.
Oo nga, anyway.
Oh my
TJ.
God.
Ito po,
pala.
si Mami, yes.
Sorry naman.
Yan. Actually, yun po
Daming
yung
alamat ni Mami,
Alam-
guys.
yan yung
Malalaman
mga
nyo
may
natin
expect
mga
nyo
alamat.
kay Mami Shay.
In the future.
Siya
may
talaga
tama.
yung light ng aming family actually. Yan.
Anyway,
The best.
And
Ayun.
this is also the reason why we're also sharing then our life as a family.
Yeah.
Kasi we also want to inspire you guys. And once you also, like other families as well, they can also help other families.
Yeah. So guys, on to the next video.
Make your family a blessing!
See you guys.
Bye! Next challenge po natin, guys, is 500 dirham. Okay ba yan?